Welcome to Ring Alarm. We're glad you're one of our neighbors. Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home's security in sync with you. You can change your security mode from the Ring app or keypad. To change modes using the app, open the dashboard, then tap the new mode. To change modes on the keypad, enter your 4-digit access code, then choose the new mode. As an owner, you can add shared users and assign each of them unique 4-digit access codes. When Ring Alarm is set to Away and Armed or Home and Armed, it monitors sensors in your home. If a door opens or a sensor detects motion, the system will alarm. If you're signed up for professional monitoring and out of the 7-day practice mode, you'll get a call asking if everything's okay. If you can't be reached, the monitoring center will call your other emergency contact. If either you or your emergency contact confirm things are wrong or give an incorrect verbal password, the local authorities will be dispatched to you. When they come, they'll make sure you're okay, then walk you through the premises to check the area. If the authorities are dispatched but find nothing wrong, you may be charged a false alarm fee. There are a few things you can do to eliminate false alarms. First, make sure your emergency contact's information is up to date and that they know your verbal password. The verbal password lets the alarm company know that the person they're talking to is authorized to make decisions about your safety. You can change it in the monitoring settings of your Ring app. Second, make sure that you've installed your sensors properly. Finally, review the system with your family and be sure they understand how to use Ring Alarm and its security modes. Welcome to our neighborhood. With Ring, you're always home.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Introducing Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent, affordable, indoor security camera. All controlled by a single app, so you can keep an eye on things at home, even when you're far away.
I wonder how the girls are doing.
And have peace of mind, knowing everything is okay. Put Cloud Cam on a shelf or mount it on the wall. With 1080p Full HD, advanced motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and more, Cloud Cam has everything you need to monitor your home day or night. Cloud Cam will alert you when it sees activity, and two-way audio lets you hear and be heard.
How Henry, get down from there.
You can access CloudCam using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. So if you hear something go bump in the night, you can use your voice to check it out and feel safer immediately.
Alexa, show me the back door.
And Echo Show's hands-free voice control makes it super easy to see live feeds from any room of your home without putting down what you're doing. So when your favorite dining companions are late for dinner, just ask, and Alexa can show you why.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
Free access to the last 24 hours of motion detection clips stored in the secure Amazon cloud means you'll never be left wondering how your daughter's toy got into your lunch. And when you upgrade to a subscription plan, CloudCam can even distinguish between actual people and general motion, so you'll only get the alerts that matter most.
Hey, buddy. Do you want to go for a walk?
CloudCam also powers the newest feature for Prime members. With Amazon Key, get free delivery of Amazon packages inside your front door. Plus, grant the people you trust access to your home, and use CloudCam to watch it all happen in real time. Get peace of mind in every room of your home with Amazon CloudCam. It's everything you need in an intelligent indoor security camera.
Life is a journey. You grow, you learn, you move across the city or maybe even to another state. You land someplace special. Special to you, special to your loved ones. You decorate it and fill it with your personal belongings and your real treasure, family. You call it home. It is the essence of who you are. But life is challenging. Busy work schedules, family responsibilities. It's hard to do it all and have peace of mind. That's why we created Abode, a security system that you customize based on your needs. It connects and protects your home by offering flexible plans without long-term contracts or high fees. It exists to help you save money, gain peace of mind, and it works seamlessly in your life.
When we created Abode, we wanted to create a system that was simple and easy to use, because a security system that you don't use doesn't keep you safe. Today's companies have long-term contracts, complicated installation processes. We've created a system that you can set up in minutes, and when you move out of your place, you can actually take it with you.
We wanted to make Abode a company that you wanted to do business with. You as the user are always in control. We offer no long-term contracts. You can turn on security monitoring when you leave, maybe for vacation for 2 or 3 weeks.
When we create a new design language, we try to think what's essential. And with Abode, it's about security, so the idea of night and day, you're secure, and black and white kind of became the driving aesthetic principle behind the design of the system. It's very minimal and quiet as a design, and to achieve that, you need to have incredibly good build quality. So we've paid extra special attention to how the product is designed and engineered.
Not only was Abode's solution created so that it was really easy to use, we actually use enterprise-grade encryption in every facet of our system, so your data will always remain safe and secure.
We don't design commodity hardware. We design something to look truly magnificent. It's something that you would be proud to own and showcase in your home.
We think Abode's different. We created a security product first and foremost, but it exists to also enhance your life.
We built a really strong platform to allow the system to expand as new technologies enter into the market. Things like locks, lights, thermostats, all these devices are being connected. With the Abode system, you don't have to add anything new. It's already built into our product. Any enhancements that we make will be sent directly to you, so you never have to do a thing.
We've put all of that technology right at your fingertips. We're providing simple do-it-yourself installation, mobile alerts and notifications, visual verification of events, and all of this is backed by state-of-the-art cloud-based services. Every aspect of the system can be accessed online or using your mobile phone.
With the Abode app, you're able to watch over your home even when you're not there.
We're truly excited about what we've created, and we can't wait to show you. So we're asking for you to partner with us on this Kickstarter campaign so that you can be among the first to secure your home with Abode and experience real security made real simple.
It is time to empower yourself and your loved ones. Take Abode with you through every season, every move, and every step of your journey. And be connected to your home and family wherever you go.
Staying connected and up to date on the status of your home is now even easier with Wink Lookout. Lookout monitors activity around your home and provides regular alerts about doors, windows, locks, garage doors, and more. Receive instant alerts when activity is recorded, such as a door opening or a sensor being triggered. Lookout keeps a record of all recent and previous activity. Actions can include sounding a siren or chime, reaching out to a designated contact, or even directly dialing 911 when there's unexpected activity. If you have any Wink-compatible security products, such as additional sensors, garage doors, or cameras, you'll automatically see the Lookout icon on the home screen of the Wink app. Tapping this icon will bring you to the Lookout settings page. Simply tapping the bell icon will toggle the Lookout service on and off. However, you'll first want to make sure that you've assigned devices. Tap the icon in the upper right corner and select Manage Devices. On this menu, you'll see the devices currently available to use with the Lookout service. Here are the kind of products you might see: motion sensors, door-window sensors, locks, doorbells, cameras, garage doors, or sirens. Once Lookout is enabled and your devices are selected, you'll receive alerts when one of your selected devices has been triggered. These alerts will appear on the Lookout screen, so you may view, dismiss, or take action, which will instantly allow you to contact a friend, family member, or even dial 911 within the Wink app. Access Lookout's activity log for all selected devices by tapping the View Activity button at the bottom of the page, or by selecting the icon in the upper right corner and choosing the option Activity. The activity log will show any changes made to the Wink Lookout service, including enabling and disabling of Lookout, changes in status from Lookout-enabled devices, and even if those devices are offline. The Wink Lookout Starter Kit includes a Wink Hub 2, a motion sensor, 2 window door contact sensors, and a siren already paired to the Wink Hub. Follow the Quick Start Guide instructions included in the Wink Lookout box, or let the Wink app guide you through the simple setup process. Simply plug in and connect the Wink Hub 2 to your home internet. Once you launch the app, Wink will recognize the Wink Lookout Starter Kit and prompt you to begin setup. The Lookout Setup Checklist will guide you through easy setup and installation, allowing you the flexibility to decide which products you set up now or choose to resume setup at a later time.
Introducing Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell brings convenience, monitoring, and security to your most valuable asset, your home. Ring streams HD video and audio seamlessly over wireless internet to smartphones and tablets. Ring makes it convenient to see and speak with whomever's at your front door, anytime from anywhere.
Hello?
Delivery for Aaron Parker?
Thanks, you can leave it at the door.
And Ring's configurable motion detection makes it easier than ever to monitor your home.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's unique cloud recording feature, you can easily access, rewind, or share your video events. And when it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello, sir. I'm selling cases of Primo Clean. Can I put you down for a box?
You know what? We're kind of busy right now, bathing the kids. Maybe some other time.
Home burglaries are a worldwide epidemic. Traditional security systems let you know after someone has entered your home, and most home burglaries start with a simple ring of the doorbell to see if anyone's home.
May I help you?
Oh, good afternoon. We're just in the neighborhood doing some free tree trimming estimates.
No, thank you. I'm not interested.
Ring helps families secure their homes from unwanted visitors and discourages burglars from ever entering. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide array of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. The Doorbell's 180-degree HD camera lets you monitor more than just your doorstep during the day or at night. And you can easily customize Ring's motion detection sensors through the Ring app to exclude areas like busy nearby sidewalks and roads, so you only get notified when it matters. It's easy to install the Ring Video Doorbell with the included mounting hardware. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Simply attach the included mounting bracket to a flat surface. Then place Ring on the bracket and secure Ring with a proprietary security screw that prevents theft. Should someone steal your Ring doorbell, we'll even replace it for free. With dual power options, you can power Ring with a built-in rechargeable battery, good for over 12 months of regular use. Or hardwire Ring to your existing doorbell. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at ring.com.
Introducing the View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey, man.
How's it going?
Come on in. The party's just getting started in the backyard.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.
See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
All right, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
The View Doorbell is so easy to use. It has a frustration-free setup. It's so user-friendly that everyone can use it, even kids and grandparents.
Hey son, we'll be right there.
Hey, Uncle Mike.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
It can be installed in less than 5 minutes and connects directly to your home Wi-Fi, making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the View Doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, the View Doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive. We can put the View Doorbell into full-scale production and deliver it to your door soon. The View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell, at your fingertips.